factorization. There are important steps to remember how you can make factorization. What about the first step? Greatest common factor. Step number 2, determine. Is the special case, yes or no? There are 2 types for the special case. The first special case, different between 2 square and between 2 square and perfect. Okay, what about the difference between 2 square? If we have the two term, between them subtract, and you can find the root for the first term and root the second term. It is meaning that special case different between 2 square. Okay, this part as the revision. Okay, yes, 2 term, between them subtract, you can find the root for the first one, x, and root for the second one, it will be 4, and you can open another bracket. This represents for the special case different between 2 square. What about the another special case different between 2 square? Perfect square. A perfect square, another special case is perfect square. If we have 3 terms like x squared 25 plus 10x, and here we can write positive. You can determine it is a special case perfect square, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What is the 3 step important? The sign at the first. The third sign we should be positive. This is the first one. It's very important. Second one, you can find the root for x squared. You can find the root for 25. 5. If we multiply 5, multiply x, multiply by 2, give me the middle term.
Yes.
So it is the perfect square. Okay, so we should put the sign in here and power of 2. This is about the special case. Step number 3, or the third idea for the factorization, if we have x squared, if we have x squared plus bx plus c. If step number 1, not greatest common factor, not a special case, we can use this way to find the perfect, to make factorization. The important idea for this case, the third sign. If the third sign positive, we should put the same sign like middle term. We should remember this statement to help you to cancel multiple choices. Okay, so if the third sign positive, put the same sign like in middle term. Yes, like this sign, middle, like middle sign. Right. If we have another special, another one, x squared minus bx plus c. What is the important idea? What is the third sign? The third sign, it is very important. If the third sign positive, we should open the bracket and put the same sign like in middle term. What about the sign of the middle term in here? Negative. So we should negative inside the bracket. It is very important idea, help you to cancel multiple choices. Yes. Yes. Another case. Yes. لا. I will tell you now. Okay. I will give you example about this idea as a revision. This part as a revision before start ax squared plus bx plus c. We should remember this idea before we start the second part. Okay. So if I will give you exercise x squared plus 27 x plus 27 minus 11x. يلا, I want to solve this exercise. Before make factorization, we should remember the old step before. The greatest common factor? No. There is no number common, there is no variable common. So it's a special case?
No.
No. Why? Because 27, not, yes, without root, okay? So if not greatest common factor, not a special case, I will open bracket. If we open two bracket, we should remember to go to the third sign. If the third sign positive, we should put the sign like the middle term, negative and negative. After that, we can guess what is the two number multiply each other, give me 27. Which is the two number? 3 multiplied by 9. Sorry, we should write it in here 12. Sorry, we should write in here 12. Add of them. Give add, because if we have in here add, we should add it this two number. If add of them, give me 12?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we should write it 3 and 9. مش هتفرق أبداً في الآد. Okay, you can write it 9 and write 3. I don't have any problem if we have add. Okay, okay. If I will give you another exercise about this idea, x squared plus 5x plus 6. Yes, yes, Yajuri. Yajwan, tell me step by step.
Is it common greatest common factor?
No. Special case?
Special case? No.
Why?
عشان ما في root
Because the 6 without root. Okay, so
open two brackets.
excellent. If we open two bracket, what is the important one? Yes, Juan. Yes, what is the important one?
Look at this.
Look at the third sign. Yes, in positive.
Right, same middle term.
Bravo عليكي, excellent. So we should write it the same sign like the middle term. After that, we can guess what is the two number multiply each other, give me 6. Maybe 6 and 1 and 2 and 3. Which one? Add, give me 2 and 3. So we should write it in here 2 or 3 or switch 3 and 2. I don't have any problem. Okay. If I want to check your answer, if we added 2x multiply 2x multiply by 3x, 2 multiply x 2x and x multiply by 3 3x. If we added them, give me middle term. Yes, so it's correct. Okay. Add 2 multiply x 2x. Yes. And x multiply by 3 3x. If we added them, give me middle term. Yes. Okay. So this is the first case about ax squared plus bx plus yes. What? 2 negative, because if we have the third, this one, this one, negative because the third sign positive, we should put the same sign like middle term. Yes. Okay. Another case about ax squared plus bx plus c. Case number 2. Yes, I will tell you now. Another case, if we have a without a, sorry. Yes. قبل أمس. X squared plus bx minus c. This is the second case. Okay. X squared plus bx minus c. If we have different sign, but be careful. If the sign in here positive, yeah, best positive was the easy way, only easy way, okay? And negative. And the biggest number both the sign in the middle. انت direct هتحطي the big number مع sign of the middle. يبقى if the third sign negative, different sign. But if we make factorization, okay, both the big number with the sign in the middle. Okay. طب انا سهلت عليكي اكتر وقلت لك دايما حطي الفيرست براكت لايك الميدل تيرم، وحطي دايما هنا البيج نمبر. يعني انا اقدر اكتب هنا البيج نمبر دايما. بس تسهيلك ان حطيتي دوت عملتي دوت العكس الاوبزيت it is correct. اوكي طيب I will give you exercise about
كله طلع نفس الرقم.
يعني negative يعني
إيه.
yes it's the same. Yes the same. I will tell you, I will give you more exercise about this idea. If we have x squared minus bx minus c, how you can make factorization about the sign? هيصير what? Negative positive, okay, or positive negative, or positive negative, different sign. بس بالأسهل أو look at what is the important sign, the third sign. If the third sign negative, put the different sign inside the bracket. One of them negative and another positive. And we should put in here big number. Why it changed? Because the middle sign in here negative. Okay, you can rewrite the first bracket positive and another negative. Yes, it's correct, but we should write a big number with the sign of the middle. Okay, I will give you exercise about this idea before start. X square 27 negative 6. Yes, how you can solve? Yes, يا سلطانة. Step by step.
Not greatest common factor.
Excellent.
And not special case.
Bravo.
اللي بس فيه common factor.
What is the common factor?
3 و x.
What is the number in here?
1.
1. So there is no common factor. If we write it in here 3, you can take
Yes.
common factor 3. Okay, without coefficient you can take.
There's 3, 6 divided by 3.
Yes, with 27 divided by 3, but 1 you can take common factor from 1. 1 is the smallest common factor. يبقى I can take it. Okay, ما اقدرش اخد ال1.
We will open two brackets.
Open two brackets.
First one is negative and second one is positive.
Yes, first one negative and second.
And we put 3 multiplied by 9.
3 multiplied by 9.
When we subtract it, will become 6.
Yes.
So now we will put it at here at the first and 3 in the second.
Excellent. Okay, Dana. اللي بعدك. You understand how you can put the different sign? Okay. Now I will start the new idea inshallah. If we have new idea, new lesson, if we have the ax squared plus bx plus c, I have now common factor. So solve step by step. Okay, يلا. Factorization. I don't have which way I will use step by step. Which is the first one I will?
Greatest common factor.
There are greatest common factor?
Yes. No. Yes.
Yes.
3
There is
times 10.
because number 3.
3 times 10.
Yes. So I have the greatest common factor in here.
Yes.
How you can determine do you have greatest common factor? Yes or no? Look at the number. Look at the number 9 and 33 and the 3. What?
I thought that was 4.
قول 9 في 4.
No, 9. Yes, 9. 9 and 33 and 30. You can determine which is the common number.
Yes.
Yes,
Number 3.
3. So write it 3 in here. There are any common variable? I have no x square in here and x in here and this number without x. So I can take common factor from the variable. Okay. I want to take common factor from the variable we should find in the 3 term. Okay, so x squared x, this without x, so this is only common factor from the variable, from the number. How you can find
Divide.
the remainder part? Yes, remainder part inside the bracket. اسمه ايه؟ remainder. يعني ايه remainder؟ يعني divide. Yes, remainder it is meaning divide. So divide number with number. طبعا ما خدتش الفاريبل so الفاريبل still as it. 9 divide 3 3x squared. 33 divide 3 11x. 30 divide 3 finish? No. Look at the expression inside the bracket. Look at the expression inside the bracket. I will erase this one. This expression inside the bracket, it is the quadratic. Yes. So how you can solve again? By using factorization. Again, repeat the step again. Repeat the step again. It is there are common factor in here. Common factor 3, 11, 10. There are common factor. No. This is special case. No. So how you can solve? Two bracket. But not forget to write it 3 in here. 3 is this one. Okay. Yalla. If I want to open 2 bracket, what is the important idea we should do it? The third sign. If the third sign positive,
Look at the middle term.
both the same sign like the middle term. Okay. Now, yes, different. Yes, different sign. Okay, but if the third sign positive, we should put the same sign like the middle term. Now I have 2 problems, not only 1 problem. We should make factorization for the 10. Guess what is the 2 number? Give me 10.
5 to 2.
2 and 5.
Mm.
And we should make factorization by 3 and 1. Factorization for 3. 3 and 1. 3 multiply 1 by 3. يبقى 3 and 1. Multiply. Which is a 2 number multiply each other give me 3. 3 and 1. I will try check now. Okay. Yes, we should step by step. So this 3x and this x. If we write it in here 3x and write in here x. Factorization for the first one. Yes. يلا. And I have in here x squared. So x and x. What? Because I have 3 multiply 1. There are any 2 number multiply each other give me 3? No, so only 3 and 1. Right, I will repeat again.